Good evening everyone. At andito na tayo para magpasalamat sa inyo lahat sa alam ko naman ginawa ninyo. And kung minsan hindi nakikita yung inyong trabaho, pero alam namin yan. Kami, sanay kami dito sa ganitong klaseng trabaho, alam namin na napaka-importante ng inyong ginagawa. The media sector of our campaign was very successful, and I think that we were able to put out and occupy the narrative space very, very well, as a matter of fact. So that is what I would like to thank all of you. Ngayon, papasalamat ako sa inyo lahat. I know you all work very hard. We all wish we had better results, but you know, we live to fight another day. Now it's time, I think, to put all the politics aside. It's time to put all of the issues that were raised during election and only talk about not political issues, but developmental issues, healthcare issues, education issues, agricultural issues, food supply issues, all of these things. Sana naman, ako lagi kong binibilang ng araw na natitira sa term ko at kailangan matapos natin yung mga nasimulan natin. So that's what I will ask for you to help me with in the coming 3 years. I know that you will once again, as you did before, do a very, very good job and make a success of whatever it is that we are trying to do. But once again, most importantly for tonight, I'd like to thank everyone. Papasalamatan ko kayo lahat sa inyong trabaho at alam ko naman napaka-dedicated ninyong lahat. Kahit na hindi na ako nakapunta rito, last time ako nakapunta rito, 53 years na, dito sa building na ito. Pero kaya ako pinilit makapunta rito, para naman, baka akala ninyo, hindi kinikilala ang inyong ginawa. You have to understand that we know very well. Pagka meron kaming nakikita in media, pagka meron kaming yung ating narrative, ang ating storya, ang ating panindigan, alam namin that you are clearly working and doing your job. And that is what we saw in this last political cycle. So let's keep it up. Let's keep it up. Let's let people know what we are doing. Let's let people know that we are going to continue to work hard now and put the, as I said, politics aside. It's consider it a distraction for now. Put the politics aside and get on with the work of nation building. Sige, maraming salamat.